Eli Lilly, Pete. Disappointing earnings. Oh my. I mean, the stock opened below 800. That's $800 per share. It closed last night at 900. So it was down below 800, traded down to 769 even, Pete. But it's made quite a recovery off of that. Nearly $80 off of that bottom. Still down hard, still down 7%, but not as bad as it was earlier in the day.
Yeah, when you look at this one, John, it went down for all the right reasons. However, they missed it on revenue in a big way. They missed it on earnings also in a big way. They also cut the full year as far as the earnings guidance goes. They lowered the revenue guidance. I mean, there was nothing that you could grab onto that looked very pleasant actually in this whole thing. Trulicity was only down 22% in terms of the decline of sales there. So they are really facing some interesting things. The other thing I want to point out, John, when you look at this, and you can't necessarily compare it to Merck, but I'm going to throw it out there a little bit. When you look at the PE of Merck, now they don't have the same drugs and the strength that Lilly has had all year. But nonetheless, I was looking, the PE of Lilly was 40 this morning, and the PE of Merck was 10. So it gives you a little bit of an idea when folks are looking for, well, where do I want to look in terms of value? Well, from a valuation perspective, Merck looks pretty good. They've got plenty of drugs too, but Lilly has been on top all year. They've been sprinting. The stock has absolutely ripped to the upside. This move to the downside of 100 points was pretty significant, I would say, and maybe a little overdone. And that's why we're seeing this start to creep up just a little bit. I don't expect it to get all the way back to flat anytime soon, John, but it certainly looked like it might have been oversold for the earlier in the day, for sure, when it was down 12, 13%.
Well, when a stock drops $140, a $900 stock dropping $140, it'll catch your attention, folks. Yeah, well. And Pete is exactly right. A 40 PE, maybe they're thinking they need to shrink that a little bit, Pete.
A little bit.
And that's what they did today, or that's what they're about doing.